An adventure is a dance with the unknown. You can do all the reading, know the science and the techniques and the gear, but the unknown is still what makes an adventure breathe. For years I've been making stuff like this. It's a niche I used to call adventure science, a merger of styles that explores the great outdoors and digs up the deeper knowledge of how things work. It's a series about the journey and the truth beneath the surface. And sure enough, it was all starting to work. I was being pitched as a show to Science Channel. But the unknown always creeps in, and you don't always get to choose your own adventure. If you're unprepared, the worst obstacles can make you rethink your journey altogether. So when Mom died, when Dad sued me, when my gear got stolen and my content library disappeared, sinking the show pitch altogether, I quit my adventure science dream and took a desk job. On the journey, I'd found a mountain of ice blocking my path, and I'd run headlong into it. But the thing is, before I had quit, I'd made an impact. I'd made a crack in the ice, and it was only a matter of time before that crack would let the unknown seep in once again. Part of me believes that when we stumble and hit a barrier, our mind is simply giving us a choice. And I choose to lean in, because losing a desk job to a pandemic simply lets me start my next journey. And each time I head out, I imagine what I could create if this journey was my job. So I'm still out here because I won't stop chasing the adventure, but I might need to fight a little harder against the unknown this time. Because this time, I'm making sure that the journey is my job. And as I prepare for a wildfire season, I need to keep in mind that this time, the unknown might be a wall of flame. Keep adventuring.